Okay, welcome back to the videos for the PowerPoint presentation. Now, if you look at this carefully, this is about 10 slides that we have created, or 11. So we are going to enter data. What is going to be the data that we are going to talk about? We have an idea, and the idea is I want to give a presentation about myself. Okay, and to do that, first I will have to type here and call it about myself. Okay, so this is going to be the topic. This is a presentation about myself. So I'm going to click here and then type presented, because I am going to be the one to present this. So I'm going to write presented by, I write my name. I press enter and write Suleiman, Baji. Okay, so I am going to write this. So this is how you are going to be typing data as far as PowerPoint is concerned. Okay, so we are going to go to the next slide. What do you think you are going to discuss about yourself is what you are going to also put in the second slide. So I will refer to this slide as content. I will type content, or maybe if you want you can say outline. So what I'm going to talk about is, I'm going to first talk about the introduction, about myself. Of course, I will talk about my childhood days. Okay, I will also talk about my family background. Okay, I will talk about my family background, where they came from and how many people are in my family. I'll talk about just a brief introduction about my family. I will also talk about a brief introduction about my educational background. Which schools did I go to, when did I start school, and stuff like that. Okay, so these are the content that I am going to talk about. I will talk about my favorite things. Okay, my favorites. Anything that I like doing, I will list it under this slide. And also I will talk about my dislikes. Okay, things that I don't like doing, especially when I am not at work, or maybe in my social life. I will just talk a brief things about what I don't actually like. Okay, now I will also talk about my role model. I'll talk about my role model, who is the person that I look forward to in terms of life. So you can indicate whoever your role model is. And I will also put in the conclusion, because the conclusion is always something very important as far as PowerPoint is concerned. The moment you start a presentation, you should definitely have a way to conclude your presentation. Okay, so this is just the lesson for how you can enter data. So if you look at this, these are slides that you can also distribute on here. So in this slide, you are going to put in here introduction as the title, and then inside, then you write brief information about what you are going to put in there. For example, here you can click and then you type introduction. Okay, introduction. Okay, then you go to the next one, then you talk about, you click and type there my childhood days. Okay, my childhood days. Okay, then you go to the next one, you talk about my family background. Okay, my family background. Okay, you talk about my family background. Here you can talk about my educational background. Okay, educational background. So it follows like that. Then you go and write here my favorites as a heading. Okay, then here you will write the details of what you like. And then I go to the next one, I talk here about my dislikes. Of course, if you like things, then you'll have something that you might not also like. So all this is about general introduction about yourself. You want to tell people something about yourself. Here you talk about your role model. My role model. Okay, and here you will enter whoever is your role model and why is he your role model. Then you indicate it here. Okay, and the last but not the least is the conclusion. Okay, the conclusion is something that you also have to work on. You just give a summary about yourself, who you actually are. Okay, so this is how you prepare a presentation. And if you look at it, I'm going to delete this slide by pressing delete on the keyboard. If you click on the slide and hit delete on the keyboard, it will definitely go out. So now we have 10 slides, and each of the slides have a topic, a heading. So in each of these headings, you are going to go in there and then briefly write in bullet points what you think you want to discuss about that. Okay, so this is going to be the end of the lesson for adding slides and then talking about how to add content as well. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and